Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I bought with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today I am reviewing these DeWalt adjustable height sawhorses. I believe I got this one at Home Depot. They're rebadged as a Stanley Fat Max at Lowe's and on Amazon, and I have a few of each. This is a tool I wanted to love, but unfortunately the quality on this is pretty much abysmal. So as you can see, these guys are used a lot. They have got lots of paint on them because I do a lot of painting professionally. And yeah, so they get used almost every day. And I've had probably about 4 sets of them because overall the design is awesome. You have a lightweight plastic sawhorse with a metal beam that folds flat. When it's not broken, it has a place for a 2x4 on each side, and it can adjust height, and even has a tape measure for adjusting the height on it. And before go too much further, I generally like DeWalt and Stanley products. I overwhelmingly have really good experience with them. However, with this, it's just really a disappointment. And the disappointment comes mainly in the quality. As you can see there, this one broke already. This isn't as old as it looks. This is probably just a few months old. It has already broken here where this comes apart. The plastic pieces right here, I'll come in and get a picture of it. The plastic part right here has already broken off. And I mean, this one is a goner, so I'm just going to show you how easy it is to break it. But this right there, that broke, that tore apart. I did nothing to facilitate it breaking other than using it. And well, it looks like I have treated this thing like garbage. It's really just paint on it. It's not thrown around, and it has a special spot in my trailer that it lives when it's not set up. I put a nice little workbench on them. But unfortunately, they just don't hold up. These little trays right here are just held in by a pretty measly plastic clip. It goes right here. The legs are a plastic indent. And what happens is over time, as you put a lot of weight on that, those little pins will shear off and wear down. And so you won't be able to actually lock it into place at the height you want. They wear out, they break exceedingly easily, whether it's hot, cold, whatever. It was really cold, it was frozen, it snapped. Scrape this off to see if it was the DeWalt or Stanley, but they're the same thing. I am going to have a link in the description below to these so you can know exactly which one I'm talking about so you know to avoid it. And if you have a go-to sawhorse that you use on the job site, I would love to know about it. These are about $30 to $35 a piece, so a set of these is $70. And for them to only last a couple of months, if that, is very disappointing. So DeWalt, I think you can do better. If you need to charge more in order to do better, then do that. Then don't cheap out. If you need to charge $40 for one of these that's good, then please do that. But I would like to know what sawhorse you like to use on the job site. I love the fact these are adjustable height. I think if the quality was bumped up, this would be the best sawhorse on the market. But until the quality gets to where it needs to, I would definitely pass on these adjustable height sawhorses, even though they are very appealing in use and function. So thank you for watching this episode of 5-Minute Tool Reviews. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. I try to do one of these once a week of a tool that I bought with my own money. Not sponsored. Don't plan on this show ever being sponsored. But just sharing tools that I buy and use in my day-to-day work as a professional carpenter. So thank you very much, and we will see you next time.